Dear student, let's start. Read about Mamun's home district. মামুনের নিজস্ব জেলা সম্পর্কে পড়ছি, ঠিক আছে? My home district is কিশোরগঞ্জ. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. The district has 8 municipalities, 13 upazalas, 108 unions, and 1,745 villages. The name Kishorganj comes from the name of an old landlord known as Brojo Kishore Pramanik or Nando Kishore Pramanik. The area of Kishorganj municipality is area of Kishorganj is about 10 square kilometers. The river Marasonda goes through the town. Kishorganj is a small town, but there are many important places in and around it. The largest is fairgrounds called Sulakia Eid Ground, and the well-known government college are in the town. People from many districts come to this place to celebrate Eid. The Pagla Mosque is also in my home district. Outside the town, you can visit the fort of Ishaq Khan and Gangalbari. You can also see the Shah Muhammad Mosque and Ayan Sindhu. We have the Fuleshwari River. You can see the Shiva temple of Chandramati. Thank you so much.